Good morning and welcome to Mae Hong. This is day 2 of the Mae Hong Son Loop, so if you haven't seen the first video, check it out up here. Now the loop usually starts in Chiang Mai and goes to Pai, but we're doing it backwards. So that means today we are on our way directly north, about 2-3 hours to the actual town of Mae Hong Son. So I've just made it to some viewpoint here. It's been about 45 minutes maybe since I left Mae Hong, and so far so good. Stopped at 7-Eleven, got myself a ham and cheese toasty. Delicious. So yeah, let's get back on the bike and let's go. Oh man, so I just pulled over here, literally just off the side of the road. This is the road, this is the bike. Kind of in the middle of nowhere. And this is insane. Got these mountains behind me, that's where I'm heading towards. And then back over here, it's a really big Buddha. I don't know if it's a park or what, but it's pretty cool. All right, time to keep going. Farmhouse? First things first. Oh, it's nice to have some AC. It's hot. So before I mess this room up too much, I'm gonna do a quick room tour. There's the room. It's a pretty great room for what it cost. I can't remember, so I'll put the price right here. Because basically all you need is a bed and a room. This is perfect. I don't know what is wrong with me, but I feel like I am losing things left and right on this trip. I have been here for less than 10 minutes and don't know where I put the key. Did I find it? Oh, that's the motorcycle key. Under the helmet. Oh my God, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Well, another day, another amazing drive on the Mae Hong Son Loop. And wow, I just ended it with an incredible dinner here in Mae Hong Son at a restaurant called By Fern. Got myself a little fried sour pork with garlic and pepper and Shan-style stewed pork with curry and spice. Wish I could go back in time an hour and have it all over again. And now I've come across this really cool looking temple and it's all lit up. And I think they're starting to celebrate Loi Krathong, which I'll have a whole separate video on in the coming days. So anyways, I'm gonna wrap things up here. Have a good night, travel safe, and I'll see you in the next one.